Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel full of tips and tricks to improve your quality of life. Today, we will discuss a topic that many of you are interested in, namely how to become more confident when speaking in public. Have you ever felt that your lack of confidence in speaking made you miss out on a big opportunity? Want to appear more confident during presentations, job interviews, or just everyday conversations? If yes, then this video is the answer for you. We will share practical tips and tricks that will help you overcome your fear of public speaking and become a confident and stunning person when appearing in front of an audience. So, make sure you stay with us until the end of this video because we will share a lot of valuable information. Now, let's start with the first tips. 1. Thorough preparation. The first step to becoming confident when speaking in public is to prepare yourself thoroughly. Prepare the material or topic you are going to talk about well, and make sure you understand the content well. The more you know about the topic, the more confident you will be. 2. Speaking practice. Practice is the key. Try talking in front of a mirror or recording yourself talking. This will help you see and hear yourself, as well as improve your facial expressions and voice. The more you practice, the better you will become at speaking. 3. Breathe correctly. When you are nervous, your breathing often becomes shallow and rapid. Learn to breathe correctly, namely deep and slow breathing. This will help calm your nerves and make you calmer when speaking in public. 4. Know your audience. Always know your audience. Try to understand what they expect from your presentation or talk. This way, you can adjust your speaking style to be closer to what they want. 5. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Remember that everyone can make mistakes when speaking in public. Don't be too hard on yourself if you forget words or stumble. Keep speaking confidently, and most people won't notice small mistakes. 6. Continuous practice. Don't hesitate to look for as many public speaking opportunities as possible. The more often you do it, the better your self-confidence will be. 7. Self-evaluation. After public speaking, always evaluate yourself. Ask yourself what is good and what needs improvement. This will help you continue to grow and develop. 8. Take advantage of technology. In an increasingly digitally connected world, leverage technology to increase your confidence when speaking in public. Try participating in webinars or online meetings, where you can speak in front of a virtual audience. This is a great way to practice without immediate pressure. These are tips to help you increase your confidence when speaking in public. Remember that self-confidence is an ability that can continue to develop over time. Keep practicing, and you will become increasingly successful at public speaking. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.